Hello, everyone.
Hi!
We're so excited to show you some of the new fall products.
Yes.
Starting with the expansion of the Quick Cooker collection. You said you wanted more accessories, and we listened.
The first new addition to the collection is going to change the way you make cakes, specifically bundt cakes. Introducing the new Quick Cooker fluted cake pan. This cake pan has a non-stick coating and holds around 5 cups of batter, which is about half a box of cake mix.
Yeah, and it's the same amount that the mini fluted cake pan holds.
And just like the springform pan, it's made of heavy-duty aluminized steel, which helps bake the cakes evenly every time. You'll love how dense and decadent your cakes will turn out after cooking in the quick cooker.
Yes, and when your cake is done baking, you can use the wire rack handle to easily remove the pan from the quick cooker.
I loved using the quick cooker to make this beautiful pumpkin cream cheese bundt cake. It's so good.
Oh my gosh, and that glaze and the walnuts, it's just so good. And what about this delicious choco flan?
Oh my gosh, amazing. These will definitely become your new favorite desserts.
Absolutely.
So, are you ready for the next accessory?
Yes, let's do it.
Right.
I am so thrilled to announce that we're launching Quick Cooker steamer baskets. You know, pressure cooking is the best way to cook your veggies.
Yep.
They retain more of their nutrients because they cook so quickly.
And our new Quick Cooker steamer baskets make that experience easier and better for you and your customers.
That's right. All you have to do is just add a little water to your inner pot, fill your baskets with food, and start cooking. The Quick Cooker steamer baskets come with a small and large basket that you can either use together or separately.
The feet on the basket keep the food out of the water while it cooks. And the silicone-covered handles give you a better grip when removing the baskets from the quick cooker.
They are perfect for dual steaming a complete meal. You can use the large basket to steam protein like frozen shrimp or chicken, and then the small basket's great for veggies like asparagus and broccoli.
You know, I think these two accessories are the perfect addition to the quick cooker line.
So right, and you know what? That's not even all of the new Quick Cooker products.
Yes. So if you're looking for a shortcut to make a fast weeknight dinner, look no further than this trio of sauces.
We've taken a bulk of the prep work out of dinner with these sauces that will give you great homemade flavors in minutes.
The set comes with 3 different flavors: beef bourguignon, bolognese, and ginger sesame. Each sauce is the perfect dinner size for about 4 to 6 people.
And you can use these sauces in the quick cooker, slow cooker, and on the stovetop with a skillet.
They will quickly become a staple item in your pantry. You see, we picked these specific flavors because we knew they'd be familiar, but also feel a little special, like this beef bourguignon.
This sauce is seriously delicious.
So good, so good.